Hi everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for September 21st, 2022. French billionaire Niel buys stake in Vodafone. Telecom tycoon Xavier Niel, founder and majority owner of Iliad, has acquired a 2.5% stake in the British company Vodafone through its investment company. Atlas Investments said Vodafone has an attractive investment opportunity given the quality of its asset portfolio and strong underlying trends in the global telecommunications sector. Vodafone shares rose 1.5% to 108 pence in early trading. Atlas said it supports Vodafone's publicly stated intention to pursue consolidation opportunities as well as its efforts to unbundle its infrastructure. In February, Vodafone rejected an 11.25 billion euros offer for its Italian business from Iliad and Apex partners, saying it was not in the interest of its shareholders. Italy, which is one of the most competitive markets in Europe after Iliad arrived in 2018, was identified by Vodafone as a territory that would benefit from consolidation. Meanwhile, Niel has telecom investments in 9 European countries with nearly 50 million active subscribers and more than 10 billion euros in revenue. Ether aims for long-term growth after the merge. The mega modernization of the Ethereum blockchain finally took place on September 15th, moving it to a less power-hungry proof-of-stake system almost without a hitch. Although Ether rose about 85% in anticipation of this event after the June slump, it has since fallen 19%, hurt along with Bitcoin and other risky assets by investor dissatisfaction with inflation and central bank policy. Nevertheless, many market participants are optimistic about the long-term prospects for Ethereum and its native cryptocurrency. The next significant update for Ethereum will be a Shanghai expected by market participants in about 6 months, which is intended to reduce its high transaction cost. It will allow validators who have placed Ether tokens on the blockchain in exchange for yield to withdraw their supplied coins, hold or sell. The staked Ether crypto coin, which is seen as a bet on Ethereum's long-term success because it cannot be redeemed until Shanghai happens, trades near parity with Ether at 0.989 Ether according to CoinMarketCap, indicating confidence in future upgrades. Gold prices stabilized ahead of Fed meeting. Gold held a tight range Wednesday as expectations of a major interest rate hike by the Federal Reserve strengthened the dollar and put pressure on metals markets. The Fed is expected to raise interest rates by at least 75 basis points when it concludes its two-day meeting Wednesday, with traders also assessing the possibility of a 100 basis points rate hike after better-than-expected U.S. inflation data last week. The rate hike, which would be the Fed's 5th rate hike this year, is expected to divert capital from the metals markets to the dollar, a trend that has sent gold prices well below the peaks reached during the start of the Russian-Ukraine conflict. This has also caused gold to lose its safe haven status, with the yellow metal falling along with the usual risk-oriented markets this year. Spot gold rose 0.1% to $1,666.04 an ounce, and gold futures rose 0.2% to $1,674.0 an ounce. Both instruments fell 0.6% and 0.3% on Tuesday, respectively, and are down about 2% each over the past 4 sessions.